Hello guys, once again welcome you all in this new brand video guys. My name is Surya sir and today we'll talk about why BBA and why it is from NMIMS Navi Mumbai. Guys, I always say you should target the top colleges only because top colleges जाओगे guys बहुत सारी facilities मिलेगी, बहुत अच्छी facilities मिलेगी with respect to curriculum and with respect to campus too. Facilities तो चाहिए guys, right? And फी स्ट्रक्चर इवन थोड़ा भी ज्यादा हो गाइस, डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट क्योंकि प्लेसमेंट पैकेजेस आपको बहुत अच्छा मिलने वाला है एंड यू विल डेफिनेटली गेट द बेस्ट आरओआई. सो दैट्स व्हाई you should target the top colleges. So in this series we will discuss about the NMIMS Navi Mumbai and what are the parameters such as info, programs, infrastructure, fee structure, placement packages and the top recruiters who will pick you up and will provide you better placement packages. Okay guys, so watch till the end. So starting with NMIMS, SVKMs, Sri Vile Parle Kelwani Mandal's Narsi Monji Institute of Management Studies. It is located at Khagar, Navi Mumbai, now established in 1981. Now it has different schools guys, such as the School of Business Management, School of Law, School of Science, School of Commerce, School of Hotel Management and School of Technology Management and the Engineering. So various different schools are there, although we already discussed in our Mumbai campus too, where we found 17 different specialized schools has, right guys, 8 different campuses has. Now one of campus is NMIMS Navi Mumbai. Okay, so guys, lot of programs are offered by the NMIMS Mumbai, but the flagship program is nothing but the BBA, and that is after cracking the NPAT exam. So you are well aware about the NPAT, and still if you are not aware about that guys, we already make several videos on our portal. Go to the portal, watch all those videos to get the detailed info about all the different courses and the all about NPAT. Okay, so which are the programs offered by the NMIMS Navi Mumbai campus? The BTech, MBA, BBA, BBA in Hospitality Operation and Management, MBA Tech, BA LLB Honors and BBA LLB, quite new program, and that's why for it they introduced the NLAT exam. Okay, BCom, BSc Economics, BSc Finance and various the School of Science courses. Okay guys, so different programs are offered by the NMIMS Navi Mumbai campus. Now let's talk about the NMIMS Navi Mumbai. Look at the infra guys. Wow, great. Now focus on real life problem solving skills. So using technological tools like SPSS and SAS, might be you are aware about that. So you will find great facilities at the campus. Asia's best emerging business school at Education Excellence Awards got in 2018. Development of holistic management skills and life skills development training you will find here. So leadership and entrepreneurial labs and social immersion programs. So definitely guys, अगर आप BBA परस्यू कर रहे हो, ओके, डेफिनेटली आपको इंटर्नशिप के लिए तो जाना ही है. लॉट ऑफ टॉप नॉच कंपनीज विल विजिट एट द कैंपस, और वो कंपनी में आप जब इंटर्नशिप करोगे, इवन यू विल गेट द स्टाइपेंड देयर, एंड आफ्टर गेटिंग स्टाइपेंड यू विल फिक्स दैट पर्टिकुलर जॉब इनटू योर परमानेंट जॉब. शायद आपका ड्रीम जॉब भी बन सकता है गाइस. ओके, सो कभी भी ध्यान रखना गाइस, इंटर्नशिप के लिए जा रहे हो, अच्छी कंपनी मिल रही है तो छोड़ना मत उसे. ओके, नाउ लेट्स हैव अ कैंपस टूर. लुक एट द कैंपस गाइस. ओ ग्रेट, look at all the facilities. Oh, lab, corridors, classrooms, auditoriums, cafeteria. Now you want to pursue the BBA, the Bachelor of Business Administration, split over 6 semesters. Okay, with 6 subjects being taught in every semester, which is total of 36 subjects throughout 3 years. Course duration obviously 3 years. Specialization. Now after Bangalore campus and Mumbai campus, we are talking about the Navi Mumbai campus. You will get the specialization in 2 fields, the marketing and the finance. So in the 3rd year you can choose your respective specialization, either marketing or the finance. Seat intake 180 only, and if you talk about the total fees, that 8.61 lakhs. So academic fees is nothing but 2.87 lakh per annum. Okay guys, now what exactly the aim of NMIMS Navi Mumbai? The excel in business administration and business excel, understand needs and expectation of corporate world, to face the corporate world, propel their career path, be it managerial, administrative and entrepreneurial, equip them with skill for them to be direct employable. So basically guys, आपको कुछ नहीं, यहाँ बस आपने BBA कर लिया, you will be factory ready. That is nothing but आप काफी सारी चीजें सीख जाओगे. So it will act as the CEO making factory. Okay guys, so BBA then definitely guys 2 years का MBA करने में कोई झिझक नहीं होनी चाहिए. So BBA के बाद भी आपको कुछ ऐसे प्लेसमेंट पैकेजेस मिल सकते हैं जो आप MBA करने से कतराओगे. So why to waste 2 years more in the MBA और वो भी IIM से जहाँ आपको कैट की प्रिपरेशन करना पड़े? Not at all guys. जब NMIMS NPAT के बाद आपको BBA में इतना अच्छा पैकेज प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, then why to waste 2 more years? Otherwise 2 years के साथ साथ आप काफी सारा एक्सपीरियंस भी गेन कर सकते हो, right? So let's talk about the NPAT NMIMS program after 12th. Now you can pursue all these respective programs after cracking the NPAT. So BBA, BSc Finance, BCom Honors, BSc Economics, BA Honors or Liberal Arts, BBA in Branding and Advertising. Quite new program from the Mumbai campus. Flagship program is nothing but the BBA across all undergraduate programs. Look at the NMIMS Navi Mumbai campus. Now, what is the competition, guys? 20,000 plus aspirants appear each year for the NPAT, and look at the seat intake only 1260 plus seats. So, guys, competition काफी टफ होने वाला है. Out of 120, you have to score at least 90 plus mark. तब आपको कॉल आने वाला है, guys. Mumbai campus, Bangalore और Navi Mumbai campus. Okay guys, so let's talk about the placement stats. Roles offered are nothing but finance roles. आप ये सारे roles play कर सकते हो. Research analyst, management trainee, global market intern, academic trainee, general, banking and finance. CFSI sector में भी आप काम कर सकते हो. Okay guys, marketing roles, marketing intern, business marketing, CRM intern, client services, market developer, business development executive, digital marketing intern, lead management, social media intern, and other roles such as data analytics, brand ambassador. ओके गाइस, सो बहुत सारे अच्छे रोल प्ले कर सकते हो. व्हाट आर द सैलरी पैकेजेस? क्या हो सकते हैं गाइस? हाईएस्ट पैकेज यू विल गेट अराउंड 13 लाख पर एनम का पैकेज, एंड एवरेज इज नथिंग बट 6.75 लाख पर एनम का पैकेज. अब मैं बात करूं गाइस, 8.61 का इन्वेस्टमेंट हो रहा है हमारा 3 इयर्स में. Okay, now per year it is 2.87 and we are getting per year 13 or either 6.75. Definitely gives the best ROI, the best return on the investment. So why to worry about the fee structure? 2.87 fee structure है guys, कोई बात नहीं. But look at the placement stats. काफी अच्छे placement packages है guys. And once you will get the relevant experience in your particular field, definitely guys ये packages आगे भी बढ़ते रहेंगे. Okay, so समर इंटर्नशिप की बात करें, 100% समर प्लेसमेंट होता है गाइस. 25,000 is the highest stipend per month given for all BBA graduates. Now the industry wise summer placement breakup. Most number of the students selected in the marketing domain, thereafter in finance, operation, HR, content curator, and analytics and consulting companies. Okay guys, so these all are the top recruiters. Now wanna being part of all these top notch companies, and definitely guys आपको preparation करना होगा for NPAT and crack it. Get entered into the top institute like NMIMS Mumbai, Bangalore, and this one, the NMIMS Navi Mumbai campus. Okay guys, so want more details about the NPAT, you can watch our previous video on the portal, and still if you have any doubts and queries in your mind, just ask me in the below comment section. Wanna crack NPAT? Guys, you can prepare for all BBA entrance exams such as IBMAT, ZIPMAT, CUET, NPAT, SET, CUCET, St. Xavier's for 2022 or even for 2023 preparation. Okay, so get all these features at one particular platform. Call on 8285-1454 or visit our website manualdu.com/BBA-entrance. So for all exam updates and notification, you can also follow our social media handles such as YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and you can also join our Telegram group. So guys, that's it from the today's video. Doubts guys, comment section is only for you. So all the best for your preparation. See you in the next video.